Hey guys, today we're going to do slide 7, how to create your graph in Google Sheets and then insert it into your Auto Pathway final presentation. So here we are on slide 7. The first thing we're going to need to do is go to your Google Drive and you're going to click New or Create. And then we're going to go down to Google Sheets. Yours might still say Spreadsheets. Click that. And essentially what we're going to do with this Google Sheet is we're going to recreate the table of values that we made in the Google presentation in these two columns here. So A column is going to be our X column, B column is going to be our Y column, and then let's fill this in with the data from our table that is in our presentation on slide 6. So all of these numbers are going to go in the X column, and all of these values are going to go into the Y column. So let's just copy them over. Okay, so I have my values in here. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to Insert, and I'm going to select Chart. The type of chart that I'm going to insert is a scatter plot. So select Scatter Plot. There's my data. We're going to click Insert. Once we insert this, let's move it over to a region where we can see it more clearly. And what we're going to do is we need to, of course, add some features to this graph here. So we're going to click Advanced Edit up here. Our chart title, you can change it to what you'd like of these two choices. I'm going to put Mr. Engström because that's my name. You can put your name, savings, or you can put my savings, whatever you want. You can change color and change size and all that kind of stuff you guys can customize on your own. So let's scroll down. Notice it changes automatically. So what we need to do is we need to label our axes with words here. This is our x-axis represented by the hours that we're working. So we want to make sure that we show that here. Over here on the axis option is the horizontal. And I can switch back between my horizontal axis and my vertical axis here. We're going to do horizontal first. So I'm going to put the title, hours worked. And if I click out of the area, I now notice that it showed up here. I'm now going to go down and then select left vertical so that I can put the title in my left vertical axis. Under the title, I know that this is the money that I've earned from working, so I'm going to put something about savings. And I'm going to include the units, which are measured in dollars in this case. And I see that it shows up here. We're now going to go down because we want to see the line that goes through these points, and we also want to identify the equation of that line. This program, Google Sheets, can do it for us just like we did it with our graphing calculator in class a couple months ago. So we're going to go all the way down to where it says trend line. We're going to select none and we're going to change it to linear because it forms a line. Once that happens, we notice the label comes up. And the custom label, we're going to change it and we're going to use the equation. And once I use equation, my equation shows up here. And notice that the computer has found the same equation that I had in my original option number. Yours may not be exact. It may be super close though, or it may be exact. Okay, so we're going to update, and now we have my updated chart ready to be inserted. So our next step is going to be using our Snagit feature, our Snagit extension. We're going to click Snagit, and we're going to click Region. We're going to make a screenshot of this. I'm going to select this camera icon. And it's going to take a picture. Down here it's syncing the capture. Sync complete. So now I scroll over here to the three little dots in this blue box. Click it and I'm going to select download. And now I see that down here on the bottom left it's going to say unnamed image or untitled image. At this point I'm ready to insert it into my presentation. So I go back to my PowerPoint presentation. Go to my slide that I want to insert it, grab and hold and drag my image into the slide. And I can resize and do whatever I want. Good luck. Bye-bye.